Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel a service with Lyft, full guide step by step clearly. To cancel a service with Lyft, begin by opening the Lyft app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, log into your account if you haven't done so already. Next, locate the menu icon, usually found in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon to reveal a list of options. From this list, select Ride History to view your past rides. Scroll through your ride history to find the ride you wish to cancel. Tap on the specific ride to access its details. In the ride details, look for the Cancel Ride option. Tap on Cancel Ride to initiate the cancellation process. You may be prompted to confirm your cancellation. Confirm your decision by tapping on Yes or the equivalent option. After confirming, you will receive a notification that your ride has been successfully cancelled. If you are canceling a subscription service, navigate back to the main menu. Select Settings from the list of options. In the settings, look for Account or Payments depending on your app version. Find the subscription or service you wish to cancel. Tap on the service, and then choose the Cancel Subscription option. Follow any additional prompts to confirm your subscription cancellation. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation message regarding the cancellation. Make sure to check your email for any notifications from Lyft regarding the canceled service. Take note of any cancellation fees if applicable, as they may appear in your billing statement. If you encounter any issues while canceling, consider reaching out to Lyft. They can guide you through the cancellation process effectively. Now you know how to cancel a service with Lyft. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.